Okay, ready for the reveal?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
You and me, we're in a club now.
Hello beautiful butterflies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you don't know me, and thank you so much for checking out today's video. I'm keeping this quick because I'm running late, but this is the start of my little beauty maintenance glow up video. I'm here to get my hair done by my cousin Kyla. She's been a hairdresser for years. It's literally been almost a full year since I've gotten this mop of hair done, so let's go fix it. Hello, editing Holly, jumping in here quickly. I just wanted to clarify before this video begins that these clips were filmed over August, so a couple of months ago when the mask mandate was not in effect in Alberta. So the reason why I'm not wearing a mask in these clips and the people I'm seeing aren't wearing a mask in these clips are because there was not a mask mandate in effect in August. I just wanted to clarify that since I am being horrible in editing and uploading this so late, and it is now October when obviously mask mandate is in effect. So I just wanted to clarify that to make sure I didn't confuse or concern anyone, and let's get into this beauty maintenance video. So I'm here in Kyla's hair studio.
Hey guys.
So her Instagram is Kyla Leigh Collective. I'll put her Instagram page up on the side of the screen here. I'm so excited. It has literally been almost a full year since she's done my hair. I'm long overdue, and yeah, she is the goddess with my hair. She's been doing my hair for years now, so I'm excited to see the transformation.
We're gonna have fun.
It'll be so good. So we'll do a little time lapse of just all of the process and everything. So we're just doing some foils. Kyla is going to do a kind of balayage style on my hair. I'm super excited. She's literally the master, and so I'm so excited to see how this turns out. I'm just letting her do what she wants, and we're gonna see how it looks. Okay, so all of the foils are in. I'm just going to sit and simmer, and yeah, we'll show you guys later when the foils are out. The foils are coming out! Ooh, so excited. Look at that color. It looks so good. My hair feels so clean. So fresh and so clean. So we've taken the foils out, given it a wash, and now Kyla is just mixing together the toner so that we can give this hair a little tone before we do a very overdue and much needed haircut. Okay, the toner is in and it has sat in, so we're ready to rinse it out. Oh. My favorite part, the best part. Oh my god, this looks so cute! Oh my gosh! It looks so good! I have bangs again. I have layers again. I just want to quickly show you guys the after. She did such an amazing job. It looks so good. I'm so happy. My hair feels so healthy and clean and fresh, and just the color is refreshed. It looks so good. I feel so beautiful. Thank you, Kyla. So it is the next day. Apologies for the bedhead and the acne patches, but yeah, I'm so happy with how my hair turned out. She did such a good job. Feels so refreshed, and just it was exactly what I needed. I picked up some products from her as well, so I'll show you what I got. Okay, let's see what I got. So I picked up another one of the Davines Natural Tech Calming Super Active Soothing Serum for sensitive scalp. It works really, really well for my dry, sensitive scalp. It has been a lifesaver. I've gone through 2 bottles already, so had to get another one. Another lifesaver for my scalp and hair has been the Davines Natural Tech Renewing Conditioning Treatment. So I got another one of these because I'm almost out of my bottle, and it works so well.
Yeah.
So I'm here, finally, with Nurse Jackie. It's been way too long. I've missed her so much. So we are just doing a little Botox and lip kind of touch-up and everything. So she is going to numb me, and we will film the entire process. And yeah, as you guys know, if you need to see anyone, you need to see Nurse Jackie. Seriously. Seriously, she's the best.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Charles, look your lips. So search your lips. Okay, ready for the reveal?
Oh my gosh, they look so good. Yeah, half was like perfect. Oh, my smile is all even again now. Yay!
It's so cute.
I'm
It's so even.
excited. So the lips are done. She did such a good job, as she always does. They look so good. So she did half a syringe in the full lip and then just did a little bit to kind of just add a bit more definition on the top here where the Cupid's bow is. And I'm so happy with it. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll film over the next like few days and over the next 2 weeks, that you guys can see what the lips will look like when they're fully healed and swelling goes down. But yeah, thank you so much. They look so good. I'll put Nurse Jackie's Instagram page and all of her information on the screen as well as in the description. So if you guys are in the Edmonton area, make sure you book with her. She does skin treatments, tons of different facial treatments, Botox, any types of cosmetic procedures. You need it, she's got it.
You're so sweet. Thank you.
So yeah, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
This looks
so much.
good. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little glow up. Hello beautiful butterflies. So it is one day after my Botox and lip filler appointment. Just wanted to give you a little update. So I filmed a little video showing kind of the mobility of my forehead and where it's at. Obviously Botox takes a couple weeks to fully work its magic, so that's why I'm kind of taking progress videos for you guys to see how it kind of slowly works. That's how they're looking. Really happy with them. So I will come back in probably maybe a couple days and do like a day 3 post procedure check-in. So see you then. Day 3 of the lips and with the Botox. I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell it's definitely starting to work. Lips are healing beautifully. I'll check in a week later now, I think. I'll do a week. So see you in a week. Hello beautiful butterflies from beautiful British Columbia. I'm here on vacation right now, but just wanted to give you an update. It's been a week now since I got my lips and my Botox done. So this is what my lips are looking like. My lips are looking really good. They're healing really well. And then my Botox, as you can see, is starting to take really good effect because you can't. I like how this one eyebrow is still lifting up higher than the other. Oh god. But yeah, so that is the update, and I will check back in another couple days or another week. Hello beautiful butterflies. So it has been just over a week, I'd say almost a week and a half now since I've gotten my lips done as well as the Botox. So I just wanted to give you an update on what it looks like. So this is what my forehead is looking like with the Botox. So it's definitely working its magic. This eyebrow is still kind of going up a little bit more, but yeah, I'm really happy because I'm so bad at having a line here all the time. So I'm stoked about that. Lips are healing beautifully. I'm really happy with how they're looking, as well as the little extra shape there. Just looks so awesome. I love it so much. And yeah. Hello beautiful butterflies. So it has been just over 2 weeks now since I have gotten my Botox and my lips done. So I just want to give you a kind of final update on how everything is looking. So I will go a little closer up and show you what the Botox is looking like. So as you can see, it has really worked its magic. My brow is lifting a little bit more still on this side, like this brow goes really high. So I'm not sure if we need to maybe put a little bit more on this side or something. Besides that, I'm really happy with how it all looks and everything. I used to have so many lines and it's so nice to not see that. And for my lips, I'm also super happy with them, as I always am. She's the only person I've ever gone to for my lips and the only person I'll ever trust with my lips. And yeah, I will go a little closer up and show you what the lips look like after 2 weeks. They're dry and don't have moisturizer on right now, but I did that purposely because sometimes I find the glossiness of my lip balm will sometimes make them look bigger than they are, and so I want to show you the most realistic size and everything. I love the shape. I love this little added kind of bit we did here to just kind of emphasize my Cupid's bow a little bit more. She always does such a good job. I'm so happy with them. Oh, Nurse Jackie is honestly just the best. If you guys need any work done, I seriously recommend going to her because she will be honest with you, let you know what will be best for you, what will look best on you without making you look overdone. And she's incredible. So yeah, thank you beautiful butterflies for coming along. I hope you enjoyed this little beauty maintenance update. Okay, hello, it is editing Holly popping in here again because I am trash and never filmed an outro for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty maintenance vlog type video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. I really appreciate all of your support. It means the world to me and I love creating content like this, so thank you for supporting me and continuing to create it. I'm going to see Nurse Jackie for a follow-up in a couple weeks and I cannot wait to see her, give her a wedding gift and just say hi and yeah, get some touch-ups. So let me know if you want to see that touch-up meeting, but until then, I love you beautiful butterflies so much and I will see you in the next video. Bye!